Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make these little origami flowers. I made a giant one here too. So these are tulips, and you could use lots of different colours of paper and even add your own green stem here. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need a piece of paper. With origami, we always start with a square, but as you can see, this is a rectangle. So to make it into a square, what I do is I fold down one side like this, and I'm going to cut this piece away. Okay, square. Great. So all we're going to do is fold it back so it's a rectangle, a triangle again. Okay, like this. Fab, fab, fab. Okay, so when you get to that part, then all we're going to do is really simply fold it in half again. Okay, so we've gone from here, we're just going to fold it in half again. Press down your corners really, really hard, okay? Great. Okay, once you've got this little triangle, we're going to open it back out again. And then you're going to take one side and you're going to fold it like this, okay? So this is going to, can you see it's starting to look a bit like a tulip, okay? And just fold the edges and do the same with the other side. Like this. Okay, and then you're going to turn it over. And once you've turned it over, all we're going to do is these little corners here, we're just going to fold them a little bit. Okay, so fold them back a little bit, like that. And then, ta-da! You have a tulip! Hooray! Okay, I'll show you one more time. I'll do a little tulip this time. So, again, turn your rectangle into a square, cut off the excess, and open back out. Okay, so we've got our square. Fold it back into the triangle. Do you remember what happens next? So we've got the point at the top. We're going to fold it into a smaller triangle. So smaller triangle. There we go. Open it back out. So now you've got your middle point, and here is where you're going to turn this into a flower. So you pinch the middle and form the petals. Pinch the middle, form the petals. Okay. Then turn it over. I'm just going to fold these little corners back. Fold the corners back. And then, ta-da! Tulip! Tiny tulip! Okay, well done!